just got breakfast at Buc-ee's. The go-to is a beast burrito. Jimmy knows. But the plan is to meet up at one of my old college roommates' friend's house because it's Bradley's bachelor party today, here this weekend. So we're gonna drive from San Antonio to New Orleans. This will be my first time in New Orleans, so we'll see how that goes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, so after fucking, how long was the drive? 8 hours? 9 hours? We finally made it to New Orleans. So we're gonna check out the house, the Airbnb real quick, and I think we're gonna fuck around on the like strip or whatever the fuck you want to call it. But yeah. So we just got the new. Oh, whoa! This is actually so dank. Hello?
Dude, that's like commercial grade spiral depth. That's so cool.
Big HVAC. Big HVAC guy, Brad.
Well, they don't have the ability to run. There's no like soft ceiling or anything. You know,
Fucking TV right there for breakfast. Jeez, that's cool.
Which is expensive. But...
Oh, we got some Bob Marley. Huge.
The Bob Marley one.
You want? I don't know how to work that thing. I'm gonna fuck it up.
Okay.
There's some Bourbon Street shit, maybe?
Side 2.
Oh, that's interesting. This is an office, but they locked it.
It's probably where they keep stuff.
Who's
It's like a
this?
full-blown office.
Vicky Ray Vaughn. Who the fuck is that? So we are now walking to Bourbon Street. It's like, I don't know, 20 minutes away. But yeah, there's Bradley, and there's Nick, and then there's Brody.
I love how that's how you're pointing.
And that's the Bachelor. Right?
Yay!
So yeah, and then I don't know, get into Bourbon Street shit. So we'll see how that goes. So we went to Bourbon Street. Richmond's actually kind of fun, but now we're at some random casino because Bradley, I think, wants to gamble some, so we're gonna splurge a little bit and go to a casino. So we'll see how that goes. So we were at the other casino for like 5 minutes, and then we bailed because it was like, I don't know, we just left. So now we're walking to some other random casino, and yeah, I think the goal is to play craps, and then we'll see how we do. So yeah, it's like fucking 12:30 and some change, but yeah.
I don't believe in dreams. I want.
It's like 4 in the morning, and we're at we just got out of the casino. I think as a group we net like $400. And now we're gonna go home, but so far day one been pretty cool. I think that's it since it's 4 in the morning, and that's it for the vlog, but yeah, that's it. So peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the sky. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on?